Welcome back to Tightwad Workshop. It's springtime here in Canberra and I'm starting to see more people coming to my local repair cafe bringing their bicycles that need to be repaired. Now I've repaired a few bicycles in my time, but according to our legal department I need to remind you that I'm dangerously unqualified and that anything you see in these upcoming videos is for entertainment purposes only. I figure that since you've chosen to watch a YouTube channel called Tightwad Workshop that you probably don't own a top tier bicycle. And since I don't have sponsorship from any of these guys, my production budget doesn't stretch that far either. With that in mind, a couple of days ago I visited my local tip shop, spent half an hour looking at their available stock and purchased 2 bicycles. So the 2 bikes I've selected are fairly representative of the kind of machine you'd buy for kids or teenagers at one of these stores. This is a basic 18-speed mountain bike with V-brakes, and this is a kid's BMX bike with coaster brake rear wheel. These bikes are both a little bit of a step up from the bottom of the range in that they both have aluminium frames for lightness and aluminium wheel rims for improved braking performance. In this series we'll use these 2 bikes to learn about basic bicycle maintenance and repair. For the first few videos you won't need any special tools. For the later videos you will need a couple of special tools, but you can find those in one of these toolkits for about $50. If you do a Google search for 44 pieces bicycle toolkit, you can find them almost everywhere. If you click here you can watch all of the videos on our bicycle maintenance playlist, or you can click here and go straight to our first one, which is about fixing flat tyres. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Tightwad Workshop is filmed in front of a live studio audience.